Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix payment method declined on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that your payment method was declined on your iPhone, so let's see about some possible fixes. So the very first thing is that you just have to go back from here. So sometimes it happens when you have entered wrong billing address or something else. So let's see some possible fixes about that. So the very first thing is that you just have to scroll in control center and you have to make sure that you are connected to a stable and strongest network connection. It might be Wi-Fi or cellular data. Then go back from here, open the settings app. You have to very check that you're not connected to any VPN because your payment method is a location-based content. So if you're connected to an VPN, that will affect on your payment method. So very first you have to try to disconnect with the VPN, then go back from here and you have to go for software update. Try to make a software update if you find any pending updates here. And after updating, go back from here. You can simply try to transfer or reset your network settings. So after resetting your network setting, you will not any you will not get any network issue after doing that. Once you have done, just go back from here, then open your app store. So tap on your profile option in the top right corner. So simply tap on your profile option here, then tap on your account here, and then you must have to verify yourself using your Face ID or your Apple ID password. Once you have entered your Apple ID password, sign in with your Apple account and your App Store, and then wait for this loading. And here you just have to select the country or region option, and then select your own country and region in which you are living. So, for example, I'm going to select this one. Once you have selected, just tap on this continue option here, and then tap on the agree option in the top right corner. And here you have to add your payment method. Just enter your credit card or debit card number here, then other details about that. Then enter your billing address correctly. So you must have to enter your street. These two are optional, so you can skip them. And after that, enter your postcode. If you don't know about that, you can search from Google, then town, then country, then phone number, then your name. And after all, once you have done all of this, just tap on done option in the top right corner and your payment method will be updated and you will not get the issue again. Or in some cases, if you are still facing the same issue, so there's the only way you just have to open your Apple Sport app. You can easily use Apple Sport app. Here, open your browser, search for Apple Sport, and you will get the website. Just open Apple Sport web. Here, select your iPhone, then scroll down and select the Get Sport help. Here's the Get Sport option. Tap on this start now option. I have installed the app, so it has been opened in my app here. So you have to simply select subscriptions and purchase the option from here. Then select update payment method. And here you just have to wait for this loading. Then select this get more help. Select call us. After that, you'll find a phone number whenever you want to talk. You have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.